it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have my mani box for October. I think it's Fantastic Beast is the theme for this month. If you've been watching me for a little bit, you'll know that I get these every month, as I've been doing, but I will leave all of the links down below to the previous videos I do. I really like doing them because you get to try out different products that you may have never tried before. So it's a great way to try some new stuff and see what there is out there. They are available through Beautometry. They put all the different products in there. So yeah, it's definitely something interesting to check out. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into the box. I'll read the little card. So that's from Beautometry. And this time it says, everything you need to try some stamping decals. Enjoy some of our new products, Nicole. All right, and then we're going to look at the card. They've been featuring these little cards in the last couple of boxes, which has been neat. I really like them. So this is, it's Fantastic Beasts for October 2018. And it tells you about kind of like the featured product. So the magnetic wand is great to create starbursts with your new Wicked magnetic polish. Use the other end as a cleanup brush. And then it tells you everything that is included in the box. So we're getting some Muyu London stamping plates. We're getting a stamper, a Moira stamping top coat, magnetic polish, and a magnet / cleanup brush. So let's start with that. So this is the magnetic side. I actually have one like that, but I don't have one with a cleanup brush on the other side, so that's actually really neat. I kind of like that because I'm always looking for a good cleanup brush. Very cool. And it's kind of handy that it's double-sided. So that is your magnetic / cleanup brush. Very neat. I like that. Very cool. Alright, and I think this is probably a stamper, which I've never tried a stamper from Beautometry, so very nice. Oh, there we go. We've got Beautometry, and it's clear, kind of squishy. It's very sticky stamper. And it comes with a little card, which seems kind of pretty good. It's not too flimsy, which is always good because I don't really like flimsy ones. So that's our stamper. Alright. And this is the Moira stamping polish top coat. So I'm guessing it's probably to kind of not smear your stamping and stuff like that, because I know a lot of people have a problem when it comes to stamping and they smear their stamps. So this one is just top coat, SP top coat. I don't really know what it's called, but that's from Moira. And I'm guessing this is probably the magnetic polish. Magnetic polishes seem to be really in lately. Alright. So this is from Wicked. I've never actually heard of this brand before. This is Hermione Magnetic Polish. It looks really, really pretty. I'm tempted to try it out right now. We're going to try it out right now and see what it's like. It's a little bit on the thinner side, but you could always do a couple of coats. It's got a nice bronze kind of look to it. So I'm just going to kind of let that dry. I actually like it without magnetic so far, so that's good. All right, let's do a second coat here. And then we're going to try that magnet really quick, because you want to do it when it's wet. Oh, neat. That totally worked. That is cool. You see that? It looks really nice. And that magnet worked really well too, so impressed with that so far. So that is Hermione. All right, let's see what else we got in this box. So these are the stamping plates. So we got two stamping plates from Moira. We've got Enchanted, and we've got the Enchanted Collection 08. It's got kind of all kinds of little animals on there. Very cute. I'm liking that one. And then we got another Enchanted. This is Enchanted Collection number 12. So also animals. Goes along with the Beast theme. Very nice. So that is everything for today's mini box. I will get another one at the end of the month-ish, or maybe in the beginning of December. Geez, it's already November. Featuring some more products. So if you want to check out my mini box, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. Like always, I am not sponsored. I actually end up buying these myself every month. But you can save a little bit if you do like a subscription of them, like if you get them yearly or whatever, like every day, every month, every year in the year, you save a little bit of money. I really like them. I think they're really cool, and they seem to have upped their game every time I get a new box. They're always changing and doing different stuff and featuring different company and different products, so I'm enjoying them. So I hope you guys liked this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.